Thank you. Did you know that 2 billion people currently carry the bacteria for tuberculosis? Last year alone, another 10 million people got infected. In fact, tuberculosis killed 1.5 million people last year, primarily in developing countries. This is more than HIV. These deaths are needless because we have a cure, simple antibiotics. There is a big gap, and the antibiotics are not getting to the patients who need them. This is because in developing countries, up to 3/4 of the patients are not diagnosed, don't know they carry the disease. The current diagnostic tests are very poor. They're either inaccurate, or slow, or too expensive. The problem is so big that the World Health Organization, local governments, NGOs, doctors, and scientists have announced global initiatives to eradicate tuberculosis by 2030. There's an urgent need for a better solution, better diagnostic solution. The perfect solution should be highly sensitive and specific. It should be fast, delivering results within minutes. It should be affordable in cents rather than tens of dollars. It should be large scale, allowing to screen hundreds of thousands of people every day. And it should be easy to use. No specific labs or limited training. At AttoQuest, we believe this is exactly what we delivered. We're bridging the gap between treatment and patients. Through our research at UNSW, in the last 2 years, we've developed a new compact plug-and-play microscope system. We have been using it for 2 years in our laboratories, and it's working. We have a pending patent, and it has recently been accepted for publication in a prestigious scientific journal. We have already distributed 5 of these models to leading research academic groups in Australia and in Europe for a total revenue of $250,000 since early 2019, using just word of mouth. Not too bad for a bunch of academics. We're currently in contact with an American diagnostic company who are experts in designing specific tests, but lack expertise in sensitivity. We're also designing comparison trials in India to validate our technology in the field with real samples. 8 countries account for 70% of all tuberculosis cases. In India alone, there are 25% of all tuberculosis patients. So we're starting in India. We will be selling or leasing our microscopes. We'll be providing upgrades. We'll be providing the analysis software license, support, maintenance, and repair. We're currently raising funds to achieve 4 major goals in the next 12 months. First one, to obtain regulatory approvals, pay for the patent costs, recruit top talents, and continue our research and development. Our team has over 15 years experience in optical device development and microscopy. I have a PhD in biology and an MBA from the Sydney University. We're just starting with tuberculosis. We can in fact detect any pathogens, any bacteria or viruses, not only in human health, but also in agriculture and water. Imagine if we could detect cholera in water in minutes. We're also very interested, if you know anyone in NGOs or local governments who can help us deploy our technology, please come and talk to us. Or if you're interested in helping us save the 17 million lives who die every year from infectious diseases, please come and talk to me. Thank you.